Joy Hansen, Joy Quilts. What I'm doing today is a really interesting little border. It goes back and forth and back again. And it's called Half Moon Sashing. Just going to start it up here. So what it's going to do first is it's going to go about 12 inches, I guess, and then it's going to set its pattern, and then it's going to come back. This is a nice little border to use on a narrow border because a lot of times the border designs are too wide and they don't look right. The only problem it can be is if the quilt is super rectangular, it is about a 12-inch repeat, so you've got to be careful when you're sizing it down to get it to fit. And sometimes you'll have to take it back into the software and rework the whole stitching process, which can work. It's just a little more complicated. This quilt is square, so it's not going to really be a problem. I'll just size it down a little bit. It won't be noticeable at all. I'm using Orfil thread, Orfil variegated, 60 weight cotton with 80 SUK top stitch, not 80 SUK needle, not top stitch needle, SUK needle. Thread is blue and lighter blue, so I think that'll look really pretty on this one. This quilt is called Shadow Birds, and it's one of our patterns. And one that I really like to teach at stores because it's a little bit trickier than the average pattern, but lots of fun, just the same. So now it's coming back for its second pass. This one I didn't have to do very much to. I just sized it and it came out to be about 98%. So I really didn't have to stretch or skew it at all, which is nice. Of course, when you're working with a little border like this, you have to be pretty sure that it's straight. So this one I just did 3 pattern repeats, stretched them out in a row, and this is it. And there it is, Half Moon Sashing. Joy Quilts. joyquilts@hotmail.com, joyquilts.com, and Instagram.